Good morning, children. Welcome to the class. We are going to start a new lesson today, that is lesson 7, and lesson 7 is about the adjectives. So in this lesson we are going to learn about the adjectives. So first of all, look at the picture. What do you see in the picture? There is a blue curtain. Okay, here blue curtain, here also blue curtain, fixed in the window. You can also see a wooden shelf here. Okay, wooden shelf here in the picture. You can also see a big table here. Okay, big table you can see here. You can also see there are 6 children sitting and studying. Very good, like you, all cute children, very hard working children are sitting and studying here. See here, 1 2 here. Okay, so there are 6 children. You can also see green chair. See, the color of the chair is green here. Okay, green chairs you are able to see. You can also see the cute animals you see on the top right of the picture. Okay, so these are the cute animals. Now all these words written in red color, these are called adjectives. Why they are adjectives? Because they are speaking about the noun. Okay, so blue curtain, blue, wooden, big, 6, green, and cute. These are called adjectives. Now we are going to learn elaborately what is an adjective. What is an adjective? First, an adjective is a describing word. Okay, so an adjective is a describing word. Second, it describes. Okay, what describes? An adjective describes or tells us more about the noun. Or what is a noun? Noun is a naming word. Okay, so it describes or tells more about the noun or the naming word. Number 3, adjective often comes before the noun it describes. Okay, so number 1, what is an adjective? Adjective is a describing word. Adjective describes or tells us more about the noun or naming word. Okay, so adjective describes the naming word or it tells more about the noun or the naming word. Number 3, adjective often comes before the noun it describes. Okay, so this is adjective is a word which often comes before the noun it describes. Okay, for example, that is a pretty picture. Okay, so that is a pretty picture. Here the noun is picture, and before the word picture or before the noun picture is the word coming is pretty. So this pretty is the word adjective, because this pretty means beautiful, picture noun. So pretty is describing about the picture. Example number 2, James is a good boy. Okay, James is a good boy. Here noun is James, boy also is James. Okay, now this is the word here good. This is describing James, boy. Okay, good is describing boy, therefore the adjective good is coming before the noun or the naming word, so this is an adjective. Okay, so good is the adjective. Number 4, sometimes the adjective comes after the noun. Number 3 and number 4 both are the same rules with variants. Sometimes the adjective comes after the noun. Okay, so here number 3, adjective comes before the noun it describes, and the number 4, the adjective comes sometimes after the noun. For example, the picture is pretty. Okay, the picture is pretty. Now pretty is the word which is describing the noun picture, therefore pretty is adjective. Example number 2, James is good. See, good. Okay, James is good. Now this is the adjective which describes the noun James. Okay, this way dear children, you can learn what is an adjective and where the adjective is used and how you can recognize the adjective. Very simple. Adjective is a describing word, and that describes the adjective describes the naming word. Okay, Number 3, it comes before the noun. You will find it will be coming just before the noun it describes. Here pretty. Okay, look at the number 3, an example here, pretty. Okay, so that's a pretty picture. See, pretty is coming before the noun, and it is describing the noun picture. Therefore pretty picture, pretty is the adjective, picture is the noun. James is a good boy. Similarly also number 4, it comes. Okay, like adjective comes sometimes after the noun. Sometimes here James is good. Okay, good is the adjective that is coming after the noun. Okay children, have a nice day. Thank you so much.